So, Honor's about to launch the world's first IP69 certified foldable, and it's packing a massive 7,150 mAh battery with 120-watt charging. The Magic V6 launches globally on March 1st, months before Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8, and we've got full specs, hands-on footage from the Winter Olympics, and details on why this thing is way tougher than the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Let me break down everything we know. A leak from tipster Experience More on Weibo reveals the key specifications through About Device screenshots for two variants. There's a standard version with model number PNM-AN10 and a version with Beidou satellite connectivity with model number PNM-AN20. The key difference? Battery capacity. The standard version comes with a 6,850 mAh battery, while the satellite version has a larger 7,150 mAh battery. Both are massive for a foldable. The screenshots show the standard version with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, and the satellite variant with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Additional configurations are expected. Display specs. The inner display has a resolution of 2352 by 2172 pixels, and the outer display runs 2420 by 1080 pixels. Chipset is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm's latest flagship processor, but Honor's also adding in-house custom chips, including the C1 Plus and E2. The Honor C1 Plus is an RF enhancement chip designed to improve wireless connectivity, while the Honor E2 is a dedicated power enhancement chip. Software-wise, it'll run MagicOS 10 based on Android 16. Now here's the big deal. The Magic V6 will be the first IP69 certified foldable. Currently, only the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold offers IP68 certification among foldable smartphones, so Honor's going one step beyond. Honor states that the Magic V6 utilizes a steel hinge rated for 2,800 megapascals. That's incredibly strong and should handle daily wear and tear way better than current foldables. Honor has also suggested that the Magic V6 will have reduced crease visibility and an improved anti-reflective coating, so it's tackling two of the biggest complaints about foldables: durability and that visible crease. The short teaser video confirms that the striking red color finish shown in China will be available globally. Not only that, but Honor's indicated the Magic V6 will be sturdier than its predecessor. Before the official launch, the Magic V6 has already been spotted in the wild twice. Earlier this month, actor Nicholas Tse was spotted using an unreleased foldable smartphone. It seemed that Tse was showing off Honor's Magic V6, but more notably, aerial skier Xu Mengtao was captured holding the same device during her recent gold medal win at the Winter Olympics. Mengtao has formed for using foldable devices publicly, including Huawei's Mate XTs and older Magic V models. Honor has confirmed that Mengtao is a Magic V6 ambassador, so this was definitely coordinated to tease the Magic V6 publicly before its official launch. Honor has confirmed the Magic V6 will launch globally on March 1st before being showcased throughout MWC 2026 in Barcelona between March 2nd and March 5th. With the Galaxy Z Fold 8 expected to launch globally in July, the Magic V6 should have around a 3 to 4 month advantage over its Samsung rival. That's a massive head start. The V6 teasers emphasize that it's an evolution of the Magic V5 rather than a revolution, so don't expect a complete redesign, just refinements and significant spec upgrades. Recent leaks confirm Honor will complement Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 platform with that 7,150 mAh battery and 120-watt wired charging. That's way faster than what Samsung offers. So, what does all this mean? Honor's positioning the Magic V6 as the toughest, longest-lasting foldable on the market. First IP69 certification means it can handle more extreme conditions than any other foldable. That 7,150 mAh battery crushes the competition. 120-watt charging means you can top up way faster than Samsung or Google foldables. And launching in March gives Honor months of market exclusivity before Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8 arrives in July. The question is whether Honor can translate specs and early launch timing into actual market share against Samsung's brand power. So there you have it. Honor Magic V6 launches globally March 1st with IP69 certification, 7,150 mAh battery, 120-watt charging, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and a 3 to 4 month head start on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Would you consider the Magic V6 over Samsung's foldable? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe for full coverage when Honor unveils this at MWC 2026 next month. Peace out.